Day by day, the applications of physics are increasingly widely. And this video gives you the top 10 applications of physics in daily life that you didn't know. You will be shocked after learning the different applications of physics in everyday life. So, it's time to see one by one.
Number 1.
Nowadays, selfies are a daily activity in our daily life. Every group of age has this activity on a daily basis. So, everyone is familiar with the camera and its lens. But, do you know how a camera lens works? Camera lenses work on the principle of optics. Optics is one of the branches of physics. Optics tells us the type of lens, whether it is convex or concave. The answer is the convex lenses are used in camera, and it provides the image outside the camera.
Number 2.
The role of physics in our daily life is widely found in cell phones. Because no one in this world who don't know about this device. Cell phones have grown like oxygen in this generation or this digital life. Everyone is busy in their cell phones for chatting, calling, messaging, and accessing the internet, and so on. But do you know how cell phone works? It involves the principle of electricity, electromagnetic spectrum, electroundulating patterns, sound waves, and many concepts. Now, let's move forward to the next application.
Number 3.
Batteries are acting as the heart of most electrical devices. It may be cell phones, torches, cards, toys, or even laptops. Capacitance is one of the important concepts of electronics, another branch of physics, and batteries work on the principle of capacitance. Capacitors were invented in the past 18th century. Then they are used to store electrical energy. The term battery was discovered by Benjamin Franklin. The conversion of energy is also involved in battery. A battery converts the chemical energy into electrical energy for the devices.
Number 4.
When you hear cutting vegetable and fruits as one of the important applications of physics, then no one can believe it's firstly. But it is true that physics really involved in this simple task. When we cut anything, we need to exert pressure on the knife. And it's a common thing that we notice when increasing the pressure, we can cut any object easily. In the language of physics, we can say that pressure is directly dependent on force and inversely dependent on area. In easy terms, we can tell that if we use more force, we can cut an object quickly. But if equal force is involved with a knife with thicker edges, we can't. From the above experiences, we discovered that knives with edges of smaller surface areas can help cut an object quickly. Likewise, we can cut smoothly with a sharper knife than a blunt. The blunt knife offers more friction due to its rough edges. It is difficult to cut an object.
Number 5.
I have a question for you. Tell me, when you get bored of work or studies, then what would you do? Of course, listening to music or song is the most common experience we have had. Have you thought about how these headphones or earphones work? This again because of physics. Alright, the concept of magnetism, concept of sound waves, and electromagnetism are used in this. Let me explain more. When you plug your earphones or headphones into an electrical source, then the magnets which are in your earphones or headphones produce an electromagnetic field. This effect leads to producing sound waves, for example, the sound in your earphones or headphones. So, headphones and earphones are the applications of physics in everyday life.
Number 6.
Walking is a natural habit we have in our life, but one can't imagine how physics is involved in this activity. Yes, it's again an application of physics in our life. You may come across a situation where you slept on the road by a banana peel. Why does this sudden fall happen? When you walk in the park or at tar road, then you have a good grip without slipping. Is it? Because this is happening due to the roughness between your shoes and the road's surface. Above all situations are due to the concept called friction, which is studied by physics.
Number 7.
The buzzing sound of an alarm clock is very important in your daily life. It helps you get up early in the morning. And the alarm clock is one of the uses of physics. Sound waves or just sound is the phenomenon that can't be seen but we can hear or experience. The study of the origin of the sound, properties of sound, and propagation of sound is possible only due to physics. Quantum mechanics is the working principle of the alarm clock. In this way, physics has a role in waking up in the morning using the alarm clock.
Number 8.
In our daily use, ballpoint pen is very essential. Did you think about how ink comes out when you write on paper? Well, it's again due to the applications of physics. How is this happening? When we move our pen across the paper, the ball of pen turns and gravity forces the ink down onto paper. In this way, in the ballpoint pen, gravity is the main concept used.
Number 9.
Let me share with you how physics used in car seat belts. When you tighten your car seat belt, it uses the concept called inertia. Inertia is the unwillingness or laziness of a body to change its state of rest or motion. In case of a car accident, your seat belt helps prevent your body from moving in a forward direction. Your body resists being discontinued because of inertia.
Number 10.
Steam iron is the essential thing in our daily life, which is used to press our clothes. The steam iron's working is all about heat and electricity. The study of heat and electricity is studied by thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is another important branch of physics. Steam iron is an example of the second law of thermodynamics, in which heat transfer in a warmer substance to a colder one. Ironing works by having a heated metal plate on the sole plate. So, here we discuss the top 10 applications of physics in our daily life. Hope you have liked this video. Again, this is Teacher Joel saying, if you learn science, you learn life. Bye-bye!